Red Barn Builds 99 back at you here. We got the IS300 in the shop. And today what we're doing is spark plugs. It's got a MISFIRE in cylinder 6 and cylinder 2. Going to be doing all the plugs, maybe a coil pack or two. You might want to do all of them. So that's what we're doing today. Got to get in there. So as of now, what I've got the entire intake box. What needs to happen is the throttle body basically has to come off. So what you can see is there's a couple plugs, mass airflow down here. There's a hose. There's four 12mm nuts right here for this bracket, and then we got four, looks like 12mm also, that hold the throttle body on. Got a plug right here, and a plug right here. Pretty straightforward. Gonna get to it. Get these nuts and bolts off. Okay, so the spark plugs are in, the no coil packs are in, and this thing is going to need new coil pack harness plugs, clips, because they are all broken. One of them's completely broken and can't even be used. So yeah, it's going to need new clips for the coil pack harness. So yeah, as of now, I'm gonna see if I have one, like an extra clip just laying around. Otherwise, gotta get new clips. So, I'm gonna see what I can figure out, and either continue putting it back together or try and find new clips somewhere. So let's do that. Look at that. MISFIRE. I was able to figure out the pins. Give me a second. So I wasn't able to find a clip, but I just connected the pins to the coil pack and then wrapped it with electrical tape. We're gonna have to get he's gonna have to get new clips, new connectors. But it's good for now, but that's a must-do and has to happen sooner rather than later. But as of now, it's good. So that's how you do spark plugs and coil packs on a 04 IS300. Not that difficult. Can be a little tricky. Gotta maybe get some of those clips before you do it, because these are known for doing that and having that issue. Just because it's old. Old cars, man. They're beauties. Red Barn Builds, out.